Making decisions about the foods we eat has become very confusing. And with the hectic lifestyle so many people and families tend to live, sometimes it's hard to make healthy choices. Eating on the run and relying more on convenience foods and fast foods, it's no wonder that Ontarians, especially children, are facing an obesity crisis.
Well, we know there's been a 300% increase in obesity rates amongst children just in the last 15 years in Canada. That's pretty remarkable. And 1 in 2 adults is considered either overweight or obese in Canada. So we have a real problem on our hands.
Health Promotion Minister Jim Watson says Ontarians need advice on how to eat better. That's why his ministry is launching a free nutrition information service called EatRight Ontario.
Hi, this is Krista, one of the registered dietitians at EatRight Ontario. How may I help you today?
EatRight Ontario provides Ontarians with up-to-date nutritional information and health advice from a registered dietitian by phone.
In a fast-paced world, it's very difficult to be on top of our nutrition needs. EatRight Ontario provides free access to a registered dietitian that can answer questions on healthy eating, how to make a healthy meal for your family, and tips on how to prevent certain conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and cancer.
The focus of EatRight Ontario is on health promotion and disease prevention. It's not intended to be a counseling service or address the clinical needs of individuals. But what it is doing is providing instant access to a registered dietitian to answer nutrition and healthy eating questions.
We lead busy lives in Ontario. Families, kids, you've got soccer practices, juggling work. We don't always have time to eat properly, to get the kind of helpful information that we need to make informed decisions. So EatRight Ontario is about giving people free access to dietitians so that they can get the kind of information that is going to make their lives a little easier as they prepare meals and snacks for themselves and their kids.
EatRight Ontario is an important resource for Ontarians in remote areas who may not have easy access to a registered dietitian.
EatRight Ontario provides toll-free access to all Ontarians to credible nutrition information without leaving their home.
EatRight Ontario is unique in the province of Ontario because it's the only free service that people can access either via our website or a toll-free number to get helpful, factual information from a registered dietitian.
Studies show that consumers rate registered dietitians as the most credible source of nutrition and healthy eating information. Important food for thought when advice that could help us lead healthier lives is just a phone call away. Registered dietitians are available Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Call 1-877-510-5102 with your nutrition and healthy eating questions. B. Broda reporting.